Hey, I'm Sean Martin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Ender 3 to automatically eject the parts at the end of your print so that you don't have to be there to restart the next one. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open your model in Cura, and you are going to position that model at these coordinates right here. All right. Then you're going to multiply this model once, and you're going to rotate that model 180 degrees, like that. Then you're going to position that model at these coordinates. Now, you may run into an issue. You need to make sure that if you're running an Ender 3, which this is where this is going to work, that if you, let's see, we want to go to Printers, Settings, Printer, and then Manage Printers, Machine Settings. You need to make sure that you've adjusted your print dimensions to 225 by 230. And you also need to make sure that you aren't printing with a brim or a skirt. Okay? So once you get those on your build plate, you can go ahead and slice your model. And then save that file. We're going to go call this 2XRC3 because that's what I'm slicing. And we're going to put it right there. Then you're going to go to the description below this video, and you're going to find some G code there, which is this code right here. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to open that G code file in Notepad, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm going to go and hit Enter, and I'm going to paste the G code that you found at the bottom of this video. Then I'm going to hit Control-A for Select All. I'm going to hit Control-C for Copy. Then I'm going to hit Control-V to paste it. Doesn't look like anything happened, but I've just put another copy of the G code in this file. So now it's going to print those two prints twice and eject both of them. You can paste as frequently as you like. Keep in mind, if you're having difficulty with bed adhesion, you may want to limit the number that you do so that you don't have parts coming off your bed mid-print. But this should work for one or two prints if you're getting good adhesion, and you can go from there. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to save this file. I'm going to give it a slightly different name. I'm going to call it, I'm going to put eject at the front of it and hit save. Close that out and look in my folder. Now you're going to notice that this no longer has the same, if you're using Notepad anyways, no longer has the same extension. It has a TXT after it. So if you go and edit the file name of this and you are able able to view your extensions. I'm just going to delete the .txt because the G code is still there. Hit Enter. Yes, I want to save it under that file name. And boom, we're good. We've got a file that will run through. It will then sit and cool for 10 minutes. Remove your parts from the bed, then start over, and keep doing that as many times as you've placed this, pasted that within that file. So you can just copy this to your SD card, this file right here to your SD card, and run it as if you would run any other G-code file. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this, go ahead, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll post some other content related to the COVID parts we're making.